I'm just going to show you the visualize this view feature that you can be added to Dynamics 365 and 1Staff front office. You're going to see at the top of any list, and that list can be dynamic. You can edit the columns, you can add filters, you can create as many lists as you want. Here I've got one of active job orders with a forecast, but I could be looking at all my direct hires. I could be looking at job orders starting soon. I could quickly define as many lists as I want. And this button sits on the top bar, and it allows me to build analytics over this view very quickly, one step. Now Power BI has launched. I could pre-select the data I wanted to look at. I want to look at gross margin, I want to look at position, quantity filled, quantity required. What it's going to do is look at that data, and it's going to kind of present me with a series of charts and analytics that it thinks is helpful. What Power BI has done is it's designed a dashboard which it thinks might be helpful, and what I can do is tailor this. I could quickly pick a visualization and personalize it, pick a different visualization type, pick a different y-axis, x-axis, give it a legend, a tooltip, and effectively configure it. I can also look at the data and now start to interact with it. So I might drill down particularly on JP Morgan in this particular case. So what are my active jobs here? How does it contribute to gross margin? What are the sum of quantity filled by position, and so on. Powerfully, what I can do is now save this and then basically give it a file name and say that I want to add it to a specific BI workspace. So that's very, very powerful. It's analysis on the fly, helps you visualize. You can quickly configure and deploy new insightful analytics to the rest of the business, which they can access via their mobile device, via the BI service, or embed back in their applications.